Here we will see multiple inheritance in Python. When a class is derived from more than one base class is known as multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, the features of all the base classes are inherited into the derived class. Here class A and class B are base class and class C is a derived class. General syntax for defining a multiple inheritance is: first, class base class is defined with its body, then class base class 2 is defined with its body, and then class derived class is defined which inherits base class 1 and base class 2. Then body of the derived class and inherited properties of base class 1 and base class 2. Here we will write a program to explain multiple inheritance in Python. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class A, which contains a method print message, and here we will print the message welcome. Then we will define another class B with method print message 1, and here we will print to YouTube. Then we will define class C which inherits A and B, and here we will define method display. Here first we will call the method print message from class A using super keyword. So super dot print message. Then we will call print message 1 from class B using super keyword, and we will print channel. Then we will create object of our class C, and we will call the method display from the class C. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will display welcome to YouTube channel. Here welcome is displayed from the method print message from class A. To YouTube is displayed from method print message 1 from class B, and channel is displayed from class C. Here class A and B are defined which are inherited in class C.